Go. This is my friend.
Hi, Sebastian. Ready to see?
No, wait. What's your name again?
Eduardo.
Edo, fuck.
Pretty good.
Tastes very good.
Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, Shoot and Make Drinks. I'm Shooter McKirsch, and in my channel, Shoot and Make Drinks, I make drinks. And today I'm gonna make a very special one. It's like the best of Caribbean, but like Indian. Because today we're gonna have the dark and stormy, but like similar, because dark and stormy, you actually do it with the Giffords Dark Rum. I don't have it, I'm in Asia, so I'm gonna use Indian one. Not just any Indian rum, I'm gonna use the Old Monk Dark Rum, one of India's most popular dark rum for ages. So, I'm very happy to do it today. It's dark and stormy the Indian way. So let's see. So there's like a long story. It has to do with sailors in the Caribbean, rum, storm, dark, well, I don't know. Let's start with the drink. So you start with 50 milliliters of Indian Old Monk Rum. If you have a different rum, just use a different dark, super better. 50 milliliters is 1/2 of ounces, I think. That I stay with milliliters because I use the metric system. It's a good system. All right, let's go. Next, I'm gonna go with lime juice, freshly pressed as usual. I already pressed it. 20. Okay, and next I go with sugar syrup. I use this time simple syrup, but you can also do it with rich syrup. I don't want to have it too extremely sweet later, so I'm gonna go with 20 milliliters, which is 2/3 of an ounce. Almost put it in a lime. And finally, 2 dashes of Angostura. That's always good. Angostura gives it a little bit of extra flavor. I love it. Everybody should have it. You can just like put it everything, but not too much because it's like very strong. So only 2 dashes already enough. 1, 2. There you go. Angostura bitters. So, and now I come to my favorite part. I'm gonna shake it. But of course, you shake it with ice. As usual, I'm gonna put ice in there. A little bit of small ice. All right, and I'm gonna shake it. Just for you, my friends. Look at that. All right, now I'm shaking it. For the dark and stormy, you use a highball glass. Always keep the glass before you use it in the freezer to make it really nice cold. Just a tip from Shooter McKirsch. All right, here the ice, the glass, not the ice. And now the ice. Yeah. Fancy, I have like this thing. Write in the comments how you call this thing, ice thing. Okay, now it's stuck. All right, and then you fill it in. Use the strainer only once. You can double strainer, of course, but no need. That. Beautiful. Dark and stormy. Has this dark color from the dark rum. Looks beautiful. So you might think, hey, this doesn't look like much. Did we forget something? No, of course not. Because we still have the ginger beer. And today, diet. Because the supermarket only had the diet one. So it's good for, for if you less calories and all that kind of stuff. So let's go. I prefer no diet because, I have a good shape. I run once a year. Okay, let's go. And you just like top it up. Oh, just like that. Oh, like that. Some people like to layer it. I just like, no, because it's layering usually, I like it and just stir it. Just stir it for a little bit. So, and then Finally, to garnish it a little bit to give it a nice look, a lime wheel. Just leave it in there. There you go. So, this is the Dark and Stormy. Doesn't it look beautiful? Look at that. Okay, and to try it, of course, I have a new guest, a great friend of mine. He's Italian. He's good looking, a little bit like small, but okay, it's how the Italians are. Funny. Okay. Oh yeah, come here, Edo, my good friend Edo. All right, let's try it. Give it a try.
Let's
Just
try
one, just one sip.
Tastes like peace.
Fuck, man.
No, I'm joking. It's really good, guys. You should try it.
I'm gonna edit this
Can
out.
you keep it?
Oh wait, I need to have to take photo. See, it's pretty good. He likes it very much. Thank you. So yeah, this was the Indian version of the Dark and Stormy. Please hit the subscribe button. It's only a little thing for you, but for me it means very much. So thank you very much. Bye.